Welcome to China Connect, your fun guide to real China. Explore and uncover its intriguing stories. Let's go. Today, we're going on an economic roller coaster ride through Shenzhen, a major city in the southern part of Guangdong Province. China is an epicenter of booming economic activity. This bustling city's economy has been surging over the past few years, reaching new heights in 2023. Just to give you an idea, in the first half of this year, Shenzhen's gross domestic product, GDP, reached a staggering 1.62997 trillion yuan. That's a growth rate of 6.3% compared to last year. This isn't just a one-time spike, but a consistent trend showing steady improvement, especially considering the global economic downturn due to the pandemic. The ballast stone of stability, manufacturing industry. At the heart of Shenzhen's economic success is the manufacturing industry. It's like finding that one strategic move in a game that keeps you winning every single time. In Shenzhen's case, it's their manufacturing prowess that's been the game changer. The value added of the manufacturing sector has shot up by an eye-popping 89.7%. The rising star, auto manufacturing. But the real star player in this game of economics is the auto manufacturing industry, specifically the production of new energy vehicles, the NEVs. The output of NEVs and charging piles in Shenzhen saw an exponential increase of 170.2% and 32.6% respectively. To put it in gaming terms, it's like they've just scored a massive combo multiplier. Shenzhen is a pioneer city when it comes to NEVs. Right now, there are around 860,000 NEVs cruising around Shenzhen, accounting for over half of all vehicles in the city. It's like Shenzhen is the final boss level of new energy vehicles, new energy and digital energy enterprises. Further bolstering Shenzhen's economy are its new energy and digital energy enterprises. There are over 24,000 such enterprises in the city, including more than 20 listed companies in the charging pile industry chain alone. They are leading the charge in crucial areas like NEVs, battery technology, motor design, control systems, and battery materials. It's as if they have all the top-tier gear in an RPG and are ready to dominate. Spotlight on BYD. One of the key players in this game is BYD, a Chinese manufacturer of automobiles and renewable energy products. In June 2023 alone, BYD sold a record-breaking 253,000 NEVs, marking an 88.79% increase from the previous year. From January to June 2023, BYD's sales figures stood at 1.2556 million units, which is an astounding 95.78% increase from the corresponding period in the previous year. It's like BYD has just cleared a challenging level with a perfect score. Foreign trade exports. This NEV industry boom is also giving Shenzhen's foreign trade exports a major boost. In the first half of 2023, Shenzhen's total export figures reached 1.05 trillion yuan, marking a 14.4% increase from the previous year. The city's new three export products, lithium-ion batteries, electric passenger vehicles, and solar cells, have taken the lead, replacing the old three clothing, furniture, and home appliances. Challenges ahead, however, like any game, there are obstacles to overcome. Despite Shenzhen's economic growth, many small businesses, especially in the manufacturing sector, are struggling. The city government needs to support these businesses, as they could be the future industry leaders. Shenzhen's economic progress card. When we look at Shenzhen's economic progress card, it is clear that the city is on an upward trajectory. The GDP for the first half of 2023 increased by 6.3%. The primary industry's value added remained constant, while the secondary industry saw a growth of 4.8%, and the tertiary industry grew by 7.2%. Furthermore, the total fixed asset investment increased by 13.1%, with industrial investment up by 47.5% and manufacturing investment up by 54.2%. retail sales. Despite some challenges, Shenzhen's economy is still thriving. The total retail sales of consumer goods in the city hit 500.002 billion yuan in the first half of the year, marking an 11.5% increase from the previous year. This includes a 10.9% increase in goods sales and a 16.6% increase in catering revenue, stimulating consumption in the auto industry. Shenzhen has been proactive in stimulating consumption, particularly in the auto industry. For instance, the city has eased restrictions on non-Shenzhen hukou holders applying for new energy small vehicle quotas. This move, coupled with the improved charging infrastructure, led to a 12.3% increase in auto retail sales. Even more impressive is the 73.1% surge in new energy auto retail sales. In conclusion, Shenzhen's economy is booming, and the manufacturing industry, particularly the new energy vehicle sector, is a major contributor to this growth. It's like they've cracked the code and discovered the winning strategy in the game of economics. But as with any game, there are still challenges to overcome and high scores to beat. Will Shenzhen continue to level up in the second half of the year? Only time will tell. Thanks for joining our China journey. Like, comment, share, and subscribe for more. Drop your questions or ideas below. Let's keep exploring this fascinating nation together. See you in the next video.